Bare 40 Moisturizing Urea Gel is professionally formulated exfoliating gel designed to help soften and remove rough, scaly skin caused by warts, calluses, keratosis or psoriasis. Bare 40 is available in a 4 ounces jar as well as 8 ounces tube.
Dr. Mark Brenner, a podiatry specialist and renowned national and international lecturer as well as consultant to major institutions in the areas of podiatric dermatology and diabetic foot management, recommends Bare Urea Gel.
So here we have a 58-year-old female diabetic who is a long-term diabetic and has some hyperkeratosis marginalis due to postmenopausal syndrome and also post long-term diabetes. So these pre-fissures, what I want to use is a new tool in podiatry called Bare 40 Urea Gel, and this diabetic's going to be using it twice a day, and we're going to apply it on either with a glove and teach her how to do it, or with a spatula, and she's going to apply the Bare 40 Urea Gel to prevent these fissures from developing. She's developing a little fissures in her heel due to long-term diabetes and hyperkeratosis. So we're rubbing it into her heels, and that's going to be a wonderful thing.
For more information, visit www.ureaeverything.com.